My name is Jim, and I'd like to welcome you to my hip journey. I've reached a point in my life now where the reality is I'm going to have one, if not both of my hips replaced in the very near future. So I wanted to take this opportunity to begin documenting this journey so I can provide information for other people that may be in a similar situation, may have already had one or both hips replaced, or for those people that just want to avoid hip replacement surgery altogether. I'll be posting updates, providing information and exercises and stretches people can do to help manage their pain, manage their recovery, and to keep their hips healthy and prosperous. With that being said, I hope that you'll join me on this journey. If you'd like to take part, you can join my mailing list by simply going to www.recoveryzone.care. Or you can also go to my YouTube channel and subscribe and keep up with the latest updates. Hope that you'll join me, and please feel free to reach out and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.